What are the 5 best practices of design patent? It is challenging to look for prior design patent applications and identify them. Finding the right search phrases involves a lot of trial and error. Even if your searches turn up nothing, it may not mean that there isn't prior art that would make a patent application invalid. Here are a few additional techniques that might disclose the existence of prior art. 1. Sites that review products. Product review websites serve as an excellent starting point for conducting a design patent search. Yet, it's crucial to keep in mind that these websites often showcase goods that have already been released or are going to do so. They prove to be valuable resources for finding potential evidence that could challenge the validity of a design patent, as they contain product reviews and first-hand images of a wide array of products introduced to the market. These product review websites provide detailed technical information and important facts about the products they offer. This wealth of information can be particularly useful during a design patent search. These websites often reveal many designs, some of which may not be readily available in patent databases. It's advisable to narrow down your search to a specific niche or area of interest. Suppose you are interested in innovative bicycle designs for a potential design patent. In this case, you can explore niche-specific websites dedicated to cycling enthusiasts. Websites like Bike Radar and Pink Bike are known for in-depth reviews. They even have discussions about various bicycle models, components, and designs. Different websites excel in various technology domains, so it's essential to explore multiple sources to get the most accurate results. 2. Search for product prototypes. While conducting a design patent search, product review websites serve as valuable resources. However, they do have their limitations, as they typically showcase goods that have already been released onto the market or are about to do so. But what if you're working with a product that's only a prototype or is still in the development stage? It's important to acknowledge that prior art, whether in the form of a product or prototype, holds significance. You shouldn't limit your search to just existing products. In situations like these, the quest for existing prototypes becomes imperative. For instance, consider a search for innovative electric vehicle (EV) charging stations. This search might lead you to a web page showcasing a prototype developed by an emerging tech company that presents a novel and efficient design for an EV charging station. Even though this particular charging station is in the prototype stage and not yet commercially available, its features and potential could challenge the design you're investigating. Prototypes can be a reliable way to find undiscovered prior art in design. Crowdfunding platforms present a possible route, as it helps people looking for publicly available prototypes outside of traditional review sites. Among the top online destinations are websites like Indiegogo, Kickstarter, and crowdfunding, where independent inventors can develop prototypes for goods that might soon hit the market. These platforms offer access to modern ideas and innovations that might not be widely available elsewhere. 3. Manufacturer samples research. In the field of product development, it's worth noting that businesses don't begin with a blank slate. Instead, they combine a number of different parts and elements to create a new design or product. For instance, let's consider the example of a common household appliance like a microwave oven. This appliance is made up of various components and systems. That includes the magnetron, microwave chamber, turntable, control panel, and ventilation system. Manufacturers frequently purchase these parts from specialized vendors. Instead of manufacturing every microwave component internally, these vendors are experts in just a few of them. These suppliers provide critical elements like the magnetron or control panel. These are then integrated into the final microwave oven during production. This strategy improves manufacturing efficiency and makes use of specialized knowledge. This ensures the caliber of the final product. It is obvious that the best strategy in the search for design patents is to look through the websites and resources of these producers or suppliers. By doing so, you can gain a deeper understanding of the individual elements that make up your design. This knowledge can be very helpful in determining the novelty and patentability of your invention, as well as any possible prior art that might be contained within these individual elements. 4. Geographical or area-based search. It's possible to compare invalidation searches to a game of chess, where strategic moves are essential to catch your opponent off guard. One such strategic move involves conducting a geography-based search with a specific focus. It becomes crucial to expand the search beyond English-speaking territories. When a patent becomes part of a legal dispute, many new designs are patented, conceptualized, and manufactured in non-English-speaking regions. In the past, for instance, we have uncovered design prior art, especially for electronic products, from databases in Japan and China. Since most prior art searches tend to concentrate on databases like the USPTO or European sources, it's common to miss out on designs that already exist in other parts of the world. These overlooked designs could potentially meet the novelty criteria in the US due to the limitations of the search. Therefore, opting for a comprehensive geography-based search is a prudent approach. Similar to a chess checkmate, such a search may turn up substantial prior art that can be used to beat the competition. 5. Product backtracking. Every creation has its origins. Finding the origins of inspiration for various items can frequently be learned by going back in time. This includes initial sketches or earlier versions that could potentially invalidate a design patent. Examining the product's development history might give you important insights, like how relevant it is to your own design if you have any suspicions that a certain product category or class has previous art that is in conflict with your design. This process typically involves researching earlier iterations or models of the product. A design that seems original to one person may have already been developed, improved upon, or even abandoned to make room for fresher ideas. Even if a design is no longer in active use, its legacy can persist. This serves as compelling evidence for invalidating a design patent.